Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Tasneem. I'm the senior manager at 98 percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 90th percentile. So today we were here for this IT bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them all the best and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Ms. Ambika, Ms. Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we will be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. it was a great experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From entering into the cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions from the third month itself, and this is the fourth month, and this is the 98th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. All the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot, and I experienced a lot of things today. So I'm really hope to be placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Karthik Rannan. I'm the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh and I am the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSI and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, Raghavendra, you can start. You can start the session.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
I can start, right, ma'am? So good afternoon, students. This is Raghavendra here. So I'm a Java trainer. I'll be conducting this training program. Please give me a moment. I'll just check whether everything is working correctly or not. Please give me a moment. Okay. So please let me know I'm audible. Please let me know whether I'm audible or not. You can say, can tell me. Tejasri, Saranya, I'm audible to all of you. Can you hear me? Okay, thank you, Santosh. Okay, so today we are going to start your Java training, a 5 days Java training program. Okay, as I said, I'll be conducting this training program. Okay, we start with very basic concept like we'll understand what is Java. Okay, why we need to study Java. Okay, why Java language is required for application development. All those things will be learning. So it's a Java session, right? Okay. Anybody knows what exactly Java is? If you know, you can share your answer with me. Right or wrong does not matter. Just speak to me. Let me know what is your opinion. What is Java? Anybody knows it? You can talk to me. Please feel free. Do not hesitate. Yeah, tell me, somebody. Okay, very good. I got a message here. So Java is object-oriented programming language and robust one. Good, Santosh. You have given a good answer. Any other students? Anybody else? What is Java? Any other answer? No? Okay, so we will study it now. So I'll tell you what exactly Java is. Java is object-oriented platform independent high-level programming language. High-level programming language. And we use this Java to develop various types of applications like desktop applications. It is desktop. Okay. Thereafter, web applications, enterprise applications, client-side applications, and even mobile applications can be developed in Java. Mobile applications also you can develop using Java. Let's understand all these points one by one. In detail, we need to understand. Okay, so what is Java? It is an object-oriented, platform-independent, high-level programming language. Okay, what is the meaning of object-oriented? In fact, object-oriented programming is a concept which allows to implement real-life problems very easily in our applications so that development of project will be very, very easy. For example, assume that you are developing a banking application. And when you develop a banking application, many things need to be created. For example, your application need to have account because customers will come and open the account, right? That facility has to be there. Account need to be created. So to take care of customer transactions, you need to have customer entity also, and they should be somewhat like address entity. Your project should support account creation process. It should support customer data storage, and even other things are required. If you use object-oriented programming language to implement such projects, we just need to create something called as class for each of these things. For example, to implement account, maybe it is savings bank account or current account, whatever it is. To create that account, we need to have one class in object-oriented programming language. We just need to create a class, something called as class, and create that class with features like account ID, account holder name, what is the initial balance, what is the account type, okay, like this. Whatever all features required, you can include in your account class. Then your project has to support customer also, right? Create one class for customer, which has to support features like customer ID, customer name, his mobile number, email ID, and other details. Like this, many classes can be created to build one application. Once all the classes are ready, you can connect them together. Your final application will be ready. So that is the speciality of object-oriented programming language. In a very easy way, real-life problems can be implemented and business applications can be developed in a very, very simple way. Moreover, we get many benefits in using object-oriented programming languages. For example, Normally what happens in our projects, no, same functionality may be required in multiple places. Same thing, same functionality has to be used in many places in our project. So instead of repeatedly implementing the same functionality again and again, or instead of copying the same functionality again and again, we can reuse that functionality very, very efficiently if you use object-oriented programming language. We need to develop the functionality one time, only one time. And that functionality can be made available to the entire project. Anywhere it can be used without repeating the code, without copy pasting the code. So that is very advantageous. So in future, if you want to make any changes to the functionality, very easily changes can be implemented. So object-oriented programming concept facilitates code reusability, which is very important feature even for real-life applications. Then productivity of application can also be improved. So productivity is nothing but how much work we do in a specific length of time. Okay, so productivity is improved means in the same span of time, more work can be done by developers, which is really good for company. So company will be profitable. Okay, and quality of the code can also be improved if you use object-oriented programming language. Okay, quality of the code has to be there because everyone will be looking for quality products only. Object-oriented programming concept promotes really good quality in your coding. And then something called as maintenance will be there in every field. Okay, in IT also it will be there. Once your project is developed and delivered to the client, it is not over. That project need to be maintained over a period of time. So customer might ask to add some extra features to the project or customize some existing features. This kind of stuff will be there. If project is developed in object-oriented programming concept, by following this concept, then maintenance of the project will also be very, very easy. And as Java is object-oriented programming language, we get all these benefits when we use it to develop our application. So we can say that as Java is object-oriented programming language, development of applications will be very, very easy. Maintenance of application will also be very, very easy. Okay, now let us move on to the next point, platform independent. Anybody knows what is the meaning of this? Anybody can let me know. Java is platform independent, right? You must have heard of it. What is it? What is the meaning of platform independence? Anybody? Okay, I'll tell you. So here, platform, the term platform represents two things. First, hardware platform, which is nothing but your computer with maybe 32-bit CPU or 64-bit CPU. So that computer is hardware platform. Then on the computer, we install some software, right? Operating system we install. So that operating system is platform, software platform. So hardware platform and software platform together form your platform. And Java is platform independent. It means once we write our Java program, we compile it. Okay, we convert Java source code to bytecode instructions. Okay, the compiled Java code can be run on any platform without recompiling the source code. So platform independent means what? Let me repeat. Okay, compiled Java programs can be run on any platform. The code will run and you will get the same output. It is not required to compile our Java programs repeatedly for different platforms. Write the program one time, compile the program one time, take the compiled code, and you can run it on any platform. It may be Windows platform, it can be Unix platform, it can be Linux platform. Whatever is the platform, the compiled Java code will run and you will get the same output. Okay, so what makes Java platform independent? There are platform dependent languages also. Why Java is platform independent? What makes it platform independent? Let us try to understand. So this concept can be better understood if we first know platform dependent languages. Let's take the example of C and C++. These two languages, C and C++, are platform dependent languages. It means if you want to run a C or C++ program on different platform, compilation has to be done separately. If you want to run your C++ program on Windows platform, you have to compile it and generate the code compatible for Windows platform. And if you want to run the same code on Linux platform, you have to recompile the source code for Linux platform. And if you want to run the same program on Mac platform, you have to again recompile the source code for Mac platform. So to run C++ program on every different platform, recompilation of the source code is required. Reason, when we compile C++ program, it will generate machine code instructions. Machine code instructions. Machine code is nothing but binary code. The feature of machine code is it is always platform dependent. If machine code is generated on Windows platform, it can be run only on Windows platform. It is not understandable to other platforms like Linux platform, Unix platform, or Mac platform. That's why if you want to run C++ program on different platform, one more compilation is required. To run it on Unix platform, compile it separately and run it on Unix platform. You want to run it on Mac platform, again you have to compile separately and run it on Mac platform. So repeated compilation of source code is required in case of C, C++, but Java is not like that because Java is platform independent. Now the question is, what makes Java platform independent? The point is, see, when we compile our Java program, we will not be compiling it to machine code. On compilation, machine code will not be generated. Okay, when Java source code is compiled, something called as bytecode gets generated. We will be generating bytecode instructions. And the speciality of bytecode instructions is it is platform independent. Once a bytecode is generated, you can run that bytecode on any platform. It may be Windows platform, Linux platform, Mac platform, Unix platform. You can run the code. So that is the specialty of bytecode. It is compatible with all the platforms. But the point has to be noted. This bytecode is neither source code nor machine code. It will be in intermediate form. Okay, our CPU can execute only machine code instructions. Now, how is it possible to run bytecode instructions on different platforms? For that, we need to have a special software tool called as JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay, if compiled bytecode, or you can say a compiled Java program need to be run on Linux computer, then we have to use Linux compatible JVM software tool. And this JVM will convert our compiled Java code to Linux understandable machine code. Once it is generated, it can be run on Linux platform. The same way, if you want to run compiled Java program on Unix platform, Unix compatible JVM has to be used. And this JVM will translate the same compiled Java program to Unix understandable machine code. Okay, the bytecode remains to be the same one, but the JVM has to be different. To run bytecode on different platforms, we just need to have platform compatible, or you can say platform specific JVM. When we use this JVM, the JVM will be able to translate bytecode instructions to platform specific machine code. And obviously the code will be executed. So this concept of compiling Java source code to bytecode and running that bytecode by using JVM makes Java platform independent. So what makes Java platform independent? In very simple terms, we can say that we don't compile Java source code to machine code. We compile Java source code to bytecode, and we get that bytecode executed by using platform specific JVM. So bytecode and platform specific JVM together make Java platform independent. Okay, Then why we need this platform independent programming language? Why to use Java? Why not C language? Why not C++ to develop applications? Why platform independent language itself? There is a reason. See, if your application, if your project is developed by using platform independent programming language, then both developers and end users will be benefiting. Okay, let us first understand how developer is benefiting. Developer will be developing project, then he will compile it. Okay, he can share the same compiled code. He can give the same compiled code to all the customers. He has to develop the project one time. He has to compile the project one time. Take the compiled code, bundle it, package it, and give the same by compiled code to all the customers. Let the customer use any platform. The customer may use Windows platform or Linux platform or Mac platform, does not matter. The same code will run on all the platforms. So it will save a lot of time and effort of developer because he will be compiling the source code only one time. But in case of platform dependent languages like C, C++, it is not like that. The developer has to compile the code again and again to match with the destination platform. But Java is really beneficial. We need to compile the code one time, and the same compiled Java code can be run on any platform without recompilation. Okay, so that is the advantage for developers. Then how it is beneficial to end users of the project? Let us understand. See, when end user buys any project, he gives importance to his current platform, which computer he has, which operating system he's using. Okay, for that he will be buying the project. Who knows? After some time, maybe 6 months or 1 year later, he may need to change his computer or he may need to change his operating system. Okay, if the project, if the application is platform independent language-based application, then that project will run on current platform. It will run on different platform also. Even if he changes his computer operating system, the same project will run. The end user need not go back to the developer asking for one more version of the project. It saves a lot of time, money, and effort of the end users also. So the end users will be very happy. Once they get project, the same project can be run on any computer with any operating system. So obviously the end user will be happy with that kind of applications. That's why people prefer going for platform independent language-based applications like Java-based applications. Then I said Java is high-level programming language. What is it? High-level programming language means what? See, there are three types of programming languages. Three types, I said. First one, machine level language. Second one, assembly level language. Third one, high level language. Machine level languages are very difficult to learn and understand. Assembly level languages are also difficult itself. But high level programming languages are very easy. High level programming language uses English-like words as instructions. So anybody can easily understand, they can easily learn and start developing the project. So Java is high-level programming language. So anybody, even people from non-IT background, non-technical background, can learn Java in easy fashion. So what is Java? So Java is object-oriented, platform independent, high-level programming language. Now the question is, using this Java, what can we do? What all things we can develop? Let us try to understand, because if you know the point, what all you can develop, then it will be easy for you to learn the career life of Java developers. Okay, so using Java, basically we can develop these types of applications. The first one is called as desktop application. What is it? It is a software application which can be installed and run on a single machine. Desktop application does not require a server machine. It does not require a client machine. It does not require network. If you have one computer, you can deploy the project on that computer and run it. So that is desktop application. Example, audio player, video player, WinZip, WinRAR, calculator, okay? Simple billing software. All such applications can be developed by using Java. They're all desktop applications. You can use Java to build such applications. Then comes web applications. So these web applications are in huge demand these days. Okay, you would have seen web applications, dynamic web applications. You would have used many times. Every day we normally use it. For example, Flipkart is a web application. Amazon is a web application. Gmail.com is web application. Facebook is web application. LinkedIn is web application. IRCTC.com web application. MakeMyTrip.com web application. BookMyShow.com web application. Web application is nothing but online application for a specific purpose, and it can be used by anyone. It's for general public. Okay, Flipkart is online application. It's for a specific purpose. Flipkart is used only for online shopping, right? So it's a internet-based application only for online shopping. Amazon also internet-based application only for shopping, is right? So web application is nothing but online application for a specific purpose, and anybody can use such applications. So if you learn Java, you can develop such web applications. You can become a web developer. So web developers are in more demand these days, and salary packages will also be really high for them. So Java is widely used for development of such applications, web applications. Then comes the next type of application. It is called as enterprise application. Okay, it's a very large and complex application. It is used only by big companies to automate their everyday business process. Okay, to automate their everyday business process, big companies will be using enterprise applications. Yes, Java can be used to develop such enterprise applications also. So such applications require high security. Java provides highest possible security. So obviously, enterprise applications are also developed using Java itself. Software developers will be working on enterprise applications. Then comes the next type of application. It is called as client-side application. What is it? Any example for client-side application? The best example is a software module installed on ATM machine. Okay, so we go to ATM machine, we swipe our card, we check our balance, we draw cash, we do many things. Okay, that ATM machine will be continuously interacting with server to process our request. When we swipe our card, it will take our card details, it will interact with the server and find out whether our card is valid or not, whether the entered PIN number is valid or not. If valid, it allows us to continue the transactions. Otherwise, we'll have to end up our transaction there itself. So this ATM machine will be having some software module installed on it, and that software module is called as client-side module, or you can also call it as client-side application. And this client-side application continuously interacts with the server to take major decisions, to do major tasks. It will be continuously interacting with the server. For example, when we go for withdrawing a cash in ATM machine, we enter the amount and click on the button. Instantly, the ATM machine interacts with the server to find out whether cash can be released to the customer or not. If yes, it releases, otherwise it will not be releasing the cash. So to take major decisions, client-side applications always interact with the server. So we can develop such client-side applications also in Java. Then comes one more type of application. It's called as mobile application. Yes, we can develop mobile applications also in Java. Mobile application need not mean application for cell phones. Okay, so application for any handheld device with limited resources, like limited screen size, limited CPU capacity, limited memory capacity. Okay, for such devices, applications can be developed in Java. And those applications are called as mobile applications. Java is used for it. Okay. So if you learn Java, you can become a web developer, enterprise application developer, and even mobile application developer. Okay, right. Now let's study some history of Java. Anybody knows which company created this Java language? Anybody knows it? Which company created this Java language? It's called as Sun Microsystems. Okay, there is a company called as Sun Microsystems. This is the company which created Java programming language. Okay, the Sun Microsystems company has been taken over by Oracle. So Sun Microsystems belong to Oracle now. But initially, this is the company which developed Java. When did they start developing Java? 1991. In 1991, they started developing a Java programming language. It took them 18 months. It took them 18 months to release the first version of Java. So they released the first version of Java in 1992. Okay, at the end of 1992, that time the name was not Java, it was called as Oak. The initial name of Java was Oak. Later on, in 1995, they renamed it Java. So when the name Java was given in 1995, the name Java was given to it. Okay, then who all developed this Java? What was the team that developed Java? So the main person behind the Java creation has been James Gosling. James Gosling. He's called as the father of Java because he was the main person behind Java creation. That's why he's called as father of Java. And other team members also were there. James Gosling, Patrick Norton, okay, Ed Frank, Chris Ware, Mike Sheridan. So this was the team which created the Java programming language. So James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Ed Frank, Chris Ware, Mike Sheridan. They all together built Java programming language. Why did they create it? What was the intention behind creating Java language? Why they wanted it? Why they wanted this Java language? The answer is that time they wanted to create some programming language to build small software applications for home appliances like refrigerator application, washing machine application, microwave oven application. They wanted to build platform independent small applications for these home appliances. That's why they created Java programming language. But gradually, Java became very popular because of its features. So Java is platform independent, its execution speed is really good, and it provides highest possible security. It is very much known for providing security. All these things made Java very popular. Initially, they created Java to build small applications. But listen, nowadays, Java is used to build largest of large applications. Very large complex applications are also built in Java. So enterprise applications are very large applications. Such applications are built in Java itself. Okay, so why Java is preferred? As I said, it is platform independent programming language. It provides highest possible security, and execution speed of Java is also very good. So that's why Java is widely preferred to develop big applications in the industry. Anybody has any doubt? Anybody has doubt? If you have doubt, you can ask me. Anybody has doubt? Any doubt? Okay, now let us continue. We are going to study some features of Java now. We are going to study Java features. Okay, what are the features of Java? Anybody can let me know Java features. The first one is called as simplicity. Java is simple, secure, it is portable, object oriented, it is platform independent, it is architecture neutral. Somebody has messaged. Let's see the message first. Okay, right. Good. Architecture neutral, robust. In the beginning, somebody said, Santosh said robust, right? Yes, robust is also one feature of Java. We'll see what is that. Robust. It is multi-threaded, distributed. Last one, interpreted and high performance. These are some features of Java programming language. Let's understand all these features one by one. The first one is simple. Is Java simple? Yes or no? What do you think? What you guys think? Let me know. What is your opinion? Java is simple or difficult language? Then I'll give you sincere answer to you. Anybody? Java is difficult or easy? Tell me. You can message or you can speak. That will be really good. I got a message. Good. Right. Okay. So easy. So the answer is easy. This is true answer itself. It's a correct answer. Java is a simple programming language. It is not at all a difficult programming language. C++, yes, you can say difficult language, but Java is very easy programming language. The question is, why Java is simple programming language? Okay, the syntax of Java has been derived from C and C++ programming languages. Even if you know the basics of C or C++, learning Java will be very, very easy. What if someone does not know C or C++? Then also the syntax is easily understandable. So syntax of Java is very simple. Anybody, even a non-technical person, can easily understand and learn Java. Then there is one more reason. Java does not have pointer concept. There is a concept called as pointers in C, C++ and other languages. But Java does not have that pointer concept. So pointer concept is a difficult concept for most of the developers. Okay, that makes the language complex. As Java does not have pointer concept, so it further simplifies the programming language. You can easily say that Java is a simple, very simple programming language. Anybody can easily learn and develop applications. Then the next feature is secure. So is Java secure? Can we use Java applications on our computers without any fear of data theft? The answer is it is a very secure application. Java applications are really secure because Java itself is secure. What makes Java secure? So see, whenever any Java program or Java application is run, it will be under the complete control, complete supervision of a software called as JRE, Java Runtime Environment. This JRE will be continuously monitoring the code which is in execution. If code has virus-like behavior, if Java code has virus-like behavior, such code will not be executed by JRE. The program will be halted immediately. If the code is saved to the machine on which it is being executed, the code is executed. If code tries to behave like virus, if code tries to access different parts of memory, if it tries to do malicious things, then such code will not be executed by GRE. It has a mechanism to identify such code, and it will just ban the execution of such bytecode instructions or Java instructions. That's why without any fear, you can use Java applications on your computer. It is not going to damage your computer. It is not going to steal any data from your computer. It will not damage data also. It is highly secure. And that is the reason even big companies prefer Java-based applications. It's because for them, security is really important. So they prefer going for Java-based applications. It's highly secure language. When it comes to security, Java provides the best security. We can't say 100% security. Nothing in life is 100% perfect, but best possible security is provided by Java. In comparison with other technologies also, the security provided by Java is the best one. So obviously companies prefer such language-based applications. Then comes the next one, portable. So Java is portable. What does it mean? Anybody can let me know? Java is portable. It means what? Anybody can let me know? Message me if you know the answer, or you can tell me directly. Java is portable. What is that? Okay, I'll tell you. See, we can use Java language to develop applications, software applications for various types of hardware devices. We can develop applications for laptops, desktop computers, mobile phones, ATM machines, washing machine, refrigerator, microwave oven. Almost any digital electronic device can be programmed in Java. It has good portability across hardware architectures. Same Java can be used for developing software applications for different hardware devices. So that's why it is called as portable programming language. It is not like use Java only to develop computer applications. No, not like that. You can develop ATM application, you can develop washing machine application, you can develop mainframe computer application, you can develop supercomputer application also. Any digital electronic device can be programmed in Java. So that's why it is portable. Then comes the next one, object-oriented. Yes, Java is object-oriented programming language, and we get all the benefits of object-oriented programming concept. Like we can reuse the code systematically, we can increase the quality of our code, we can improve the productivity of developers, we can simplify the maintenance of project. Okay, we get all the benefits of object-oriented programming concept. So obviously it is good for developers as well as the application. Then comes the next feature, platform independent. Is Java platform independent? Yes, we have studied, right? Yes, Java is platform independent. What does it mean? Anybody can let me know now? Java is platform independent means what? Java is platform independent means what? Anybody can let me know? Okay, I'll tell you once again. So Java is platform independent means, simple terms, write Java program one time. Compile that Java program one time. Just take the compiled code and you will be able to run it on any computer with any operating system. Write once, compile once, take the compiled code, run on any computer with any operating system, the code will run, you will get the same output. So that is what platform independence is. So Java is platform independent. The main reasons are Java source code is compiled to bytecode, and those bytecode instructions are executed by using JVM. So the combination of bytecode and JVM together make your Java platform independent. Got it right? What makes Java platform independent? The concept of compiling Java source code to bytecode and executing that bytecode by using JVM. So this makes Java platform independent. Remember these 2 points, bytecode and JVM. These 2 things make Java platform independent. When your language is platform independent, the project will also be platform independent. When the project is platform independent, independent, obviously the end user will be very, very happy. Once if he buys the project, the same project can be run on any computer with any operating system. It will be beneficial to him. Okay. Now the next feature of Java is architecture neutral. Anybody can let me know what is the meaning of this architecture neutral? At least can you hint me whether I'm talking about hardware architecture or software architecture it is? Anybody? Type A, type H if it is hardware architecture, type S if it is software architecture. Very good. Quickly, I got a message. You said software architecture. In fact, it is hardware architecture. So Java is hardware architecture neutral. What exactly it is, let us try to understand. Let us understand it. Okay, see, we can run our Java programs on various computers. Your computer might be having 32-bit CPU or 64-bit CPU. When we run our Java program, first of all, the program runs successfully and it will generate the same result. Whether it is 32-bit processor-based computer or 64-bit processor-based computer, you will get the same result. That's very, very important because in other languages, it won't happen so. You will get some result on 32-bit CPU-based machines and you will get some other result on 64-bit CPU-based machines. Okay, but in Java, it is not like that. Irrespective of the hardware architecture, you'll always be getting the same result. So that is hardware architecture neutral. The question is, what makes Java architecture neutral? Very important point, right? So the answer is very easy. In Java, we have various data types, okay, like numeric data types, character data types, Boolean data types, many different data types. Okay, when it comes to the data type, the size is always fixed. Java ensures that the size of the data types is always fixed irrespective of the hardware architecture. It may be 32-bit CPU-based computer or 64-bit CPU-based computer. The size of data type will be constant. Example, if it is int data type, integer data type, the size is 4 bytes. On 32-bit machines, the size is 4. On 64-bit machines, also the size is going to be 4 itself. On all the machines, the size of integer is 4 itself. So obviously on all the machines, it has to generate the same result itself. Like this, by fixing the size of data types constant on all hardware architectures, Java ensures that same result is generated on various computers. So that makes Java architecture neutral. You can expect same result from the same program on any computer. The result will not change because the size of data type remains to be fixed. The size remains to be fixed. The size remains to be constant. So you might have heard in case of C, C++, on 32-bit platforms, the size of integer is different. On 64-bit platform, the size of integer is different. But Java does not have any such concept. The size remains to be same on all the computers, 32-bit as well as 64-bit. It makes it architecture neutral. Then comes the next one, robust. So Java is really a robust programming language. So any idea what exactly the robust is? English meaning of robust? Anybody can tell me at least? English or technical, whatever it is. What is the meaning of robust? Anybody? Message me, no problem. Say right answer, wrong answer really does not matter. Should be interactive. So you are here to learn, right? So it should be interactive. That's it. Wrong answers really do not strong. Very good. You are given the answer. Robust means very strong, very, very powerful. The point is correct. So Java is a robust programming language. Why means it really improves the productivity of developers because Java has automatic memory management feature. What is this automatic memory management feature? Let us try to understand. See, in Java, whenever we run programs, memory will be allocated to store our data. And once the task is completed, automatically the memory will be released back to the memory pool. Developer need not release the memory back to memory pool himself. He just need to allocate the memory whenever is required. He will allocate the memory, he will use the memory, he will do the task. Once the task is completed, Java automatically release that memory back to memory pool. So that's called as automatic memory management. So in other languages, this feature is not there, especially C, C++. So in those languages like C, C++, developer himself has to release the memory back to memory pool manually. In case if it does not release the memory back to memory pool, in case if it forgets it, it results in memory leakage. And in turn, it will cause a lot of errors and problems in the program. So because of this, lot of time of developers will be wasted in memory management related things in C, C++. So that's why Java has come up with a solution called automatic memory management. In Java, so allocated memory automatically gets released back to the memory pool. Developer need not worry about it. So this saves a lot of time and effort of developers. They can focus on their business logic implementation, that is coding part, and improve the productivity of the work. Okay. Then comes next point, multi-threaded. So Java is a multi-threaded programming language. What exactly is this multi-threaded? Multi-threading means what? Anybody knows? Have you heard of it? Multi-threading? Okay, I'll tell you. A multi-threaded application is one which is capable of doing many tasks simultaneously. It can do many different things simultaneously. One very good example is browser. Which is the most popular browser these days? Google Chrome. Yes, right? Okay. Install Google Chrome on your computer. Open one window, one tab you open and access youtube.com. Play some music. It'll play the music. Open one more window of the same Google Chrome. Access Facebook. Yes, you will be able to access Facebook also. Open one more window. Access gmail.com. That also you can do. Open one more window and access LinkedIn. That also you'll be able to do. You have only one Google Chrome installed on your computer. How is it possible for one Google Chrome to interact with multiple servers? It is interacting with YouTube server. It is interacting with Facebook server. It is interacting with LinkedIn server. It is interacting with Gmail server. How is it possible for one browser to simultaneously interact with multiple servers and get data from all of them? The answer is that browser is multi-threaded. It is capable of doing more than one task at a time. Okay, so that is nothing but multi-threaded application. Java has built-in support for multi-threading. It means if you learn Java, you will be able to create a browser, an application like browser, a Google Chrome kind of application you can develop, or Microsoft Edge kind of application you can develop, and even MS Word is also multi-threaded. So in MS Word, we normally use for resume building, right? While typing any content, if there is spelling mistake, automatically it will display red color error line. If there is any grammar mistake, automatically it will display green color line. You're typing the data. Yes, it will be accepting data. Parallelly, simultaneously, it will be looking for spelling mistakes and grammar mistakes also. And if you have configured, it can save the document automatically without your knowledge. Parallelly, it will be saving the document also. So MS Word is also multi-threaded application. These days, there is a lot of demand for multi-threaded applications, and Java has built-in support for it. If you learn Java, you will be able to develop multi-threaded applications. So multi-threading itself is a big chapter that will be studying in Java, core Java. Then comes the next feature. It is called as distributed. So is Java distributed? Yes, Java is distributed. What does it mean? It means we can develop distributed applications in Java. A distributed application is one which is not installed on a single computer. Okay, rather it will be installed on a group of devices, many computers it will be installed. For example, take banking application itself. Okay, the major part of banking application is installed on bank server. bank computer they install. Then a small module of that application is installed on ATM machine. Then mobile part of the application is installed on cell phones. And in bank, there will be many computers, right? Staff will be using the computers. On those computers also, small modules are installed. And all these devices interact with each other through network, and that will form the whole application. So that is distributed application. Your distributed application is not installed on one machine. It is installed on many different machines, and all the machines interact with each other to form the whole application. Such applications can be developed in Java because Java is distributed language. It is distributed programming language. Okay, so this type of applications are also in huge demand these days. Simple example is banking application. There are hundreds and thousands of banks, and obviously they need this kind of applications. And we know that Java provides highest security. It is platform independent. It allows to develop distributed applications. Obviously, they go for Java-based banking applications itself. Okay, then the last point here, interpreted and high performance. It is saying that Java is interpreted language and it provides high performance. The point is true. In fact, Java is compiled and interpreted programming language. Let us understand this point. I said Java is compiled and interpreted programming language. What does it mean? Let us understand. See, we write Java program, we compile it. Okay, when we compile, the compiled code is generated, that is bytecode is generated. So this is compilation process. We compile source code to bytecode. And when we run that bytecode, interpretation takes place. When we run our compiled Java programs, interpretation takes place. What is this interpretation? Let us try to understand. Interpretation is nothing but line by line, the bytecode instructions are translated to machine code. Okay, one line of bytecode is translated to machine code, immediately it is executed. One more line of bytecode is translated to machine code, immediately it is executed. One more line of bytecode is translated to machine code, immediately it is executed. Like this, the whole code will be executed. So this is called as interpretation. It is not like run all the code at a time, which is not possible because when we compile Java source code, we will not be generating machine code. We will be generating bytecode. So bytecode cannot be directly executed by CPU. CPU can run only machine code. That's why it is required to convert bytecode instructions into machine code. In fact, native machine code. Native machine code means machine code understandable to your platform. Okay, so bytecode is translated to machine code, native machine code, and that native machine code is executed by the CPU. I got it right? So Java is both compiled and interpreted programming language. So when we run Java program, interpretation takes place, translation of bytecode to machine code and further execution. This happens. So obviously it is going to be a delay process, right? Late process. When we run the program, immediately bytecode cannot be executed. It has to be translated to machine code. The translation takes time. Then execution has to happen. That also takes time. Won't it make Java slow? That is a fear. Yes, right? So the answer is no, that doesn't cause any, say you can, serious delays. Okay, reason, the bytecode instructions in Java are designed in such a way that bytecode to machine code translation takes very less time. And generated machine code will be very much optimized, which can execute quickly, very, very quickly. Okay, so they have designed bytecode instructions very efficiently. And when bytecode is translated to machine code, that takes very less time. So execution also will be faster. That's why even though Java is interpreted, compiled and interpreted programming language, okay, the time taken for the execution is reasonably less. It is accepted. The speed of Java programming language-based applications is really accepted in the company. If it was slow, everyone would have rejected Java. The speed of Java applications is really, really good and suitable for real-life applications. So that's what the point is saying. But one thing has to be accepted. Compared to C++, Java is little slow, but it is not fully slow. The performance, the speed of Java applications is really acceptable in real life business applications. What else we want? If they're accepting, that's more than enough. Means Java is fast itself. We can't even say it is slow. It is fast itself. And that's what the point is saying. Interpreted and high performance. Even though Java is compiled and interpreted programming language, its performance is really good. It performs fast. It works fast and we get the results quickly. So these are some features of a Java programming language. Anybody has any doubts, please let me know. You can ask me if you have any doubt. So today it's been like only theory. We'll be studying practicals also with lots of examples we'll be studying. So that happens from tomorrow because we have to download Java software. I'll guide you through the process. You will also be installing the Java software on your machine. Then we will be writing the code. We'll be compiling the code. We'll be running it also. Means, so practicals we are going to do. Today it is theory. So from the next class, it's going to be fully practical. Okay. So practical part will be doing it. Now, anybody has any doubt, please let me know. Any questions, please ask. Please do not hesitate. You can ask me your questions. Any doubts? Okay, see how nicely somebody is messaging. No queries. Thank you very much. See, you should learn to interact with people, right? Okay, you'll be hesitating. What topics are covered in these 5 days, sir? Okay, see, tomorrow we'll be seeing how to install Java. I'll be guiding you through the process. We'll be downloading the software. We'll be installing it. Then we'll be writing the code. We'll be compiling the code. We'll be running the code. And I'll explain each and every part of the first Java program. Got it, right? You'll understand each and every piece of the first Java program, which is really, really important. In interviews and all, they'll be asking that kind of questions. So we'll be studying that. So agenda, you will come to know. Gradually, you will come to know. We'll be learning good things only. Important stuff we will be learning. Any other queries? Any doubts?
Hello, sir. If you are done with your session, we will wind up. Okay?
Yeah, sure. Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, students. We'll meet on tomorrow, same time. Okay?